Nathan, I want to see you. Let's hand to left and get a picture.
Morning.
Wait, hold on.
I already want to open presents.
I know.
If you
Let's get a little light in here. What? What's there?
I love it. She's beautiful.
Merry Christmas, Clara. Merry Christmas.
I love it.
Merry Christmas. Charlie, look at Daddy.
Merry Christmas.
Hold on, I'm going to open this window and get a little light in
Then
here.
I eat all the cookies and milk.
See, they ate the cookies?
And
I
drink
drink
all
the
of
milk, but I bet he got very hungry and thirsty on his way.
it. Yeah.
All right, it's time to